What's up, guys? Well, on a better note, I wanted to let you know I got the Henry mare's leg back out here. Just loading it up, and I can tell you the Henry puts out a pretty good gun. I haven't done anything with this mare's leg since I got it. I did put the front high-vis sight on it with the yellow pipes for higher visibility. I did get the Evil Roy cover, and I did put an old Winchester saddle ring on there that I tapped and drilled. And I'm waiting for the tax stamp to come back so I can get a full stock on this bad boy. But just to show you, this thing is really pretty accurate here with this. I'm probably about 20 feet with this, and I'll just show you. This thing is spot on. My fault. My fault. Yeah, baby. This mare's leg. Right on, man. 9-10 shot. I had when I put this new Evil Roy receiver, I kind of, hey, it was a little tight, man, but like they said, the Henry is like butter. I mean, I would suggest any 22 Henry. This rifle will do it. It's a 12-inch barrel, and as you could see, no hiccups. Sight is right on. So finally, a cowboy gun product that works good with no need to adjust sights or anything. It's right on, right from the factory. So thanks to Henry for a great job with this rifle here. I would recommend one of these, any of their 22s. Thank you, guys.